What's up, YouTube? As you can see, I'm just glancing at the bottom of my car. I'm going to be changing out those leaf springs and the springs in the shackles. Get all that changed out because they're worn down pretty bad. And I'm looking at on this drive shaft to change out the rear end gears and install a position traction carrier and ring and pinion. Do an overhaul kit there and gonna work it and see how that works. You can see those leaf springs there. Then we go to the front of the car, and those springs are going to be replaced with those spacers, be set the right way that we need. Change those compression springs. Then we're going to change the power steering gearbox, which is leaking a little fluid.